I sat on hiring panel of big tech companies, so I exactly know why your job application is getting rejected. To fix it, last night, just within 15 minutes, I was able to create this web app end-to-end that get a job posting and land you an interview for you. Well, I just used the winning combination of Claude Design, which is a new product, combined with Claude Code to code the front end, back end, everything fully for me within just minutes. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create this app by yourself or any app that looks far better than typical AI-based UI design or applications that you have seen. So in this video, I'm going to check it out, how we can use this combo to empower you to create any application, namely this job hunting one, just as an example. Let's check it out. Say goodbye to all days that you had to prompt to create a UI and then code the backend separately, because Claude Design, which is a new product, just dropped. And check this out. Not only you can just simply start with a prompting to create this astonishing UI, at the same time you can tweak them. So something like Figma experience, but this time powered by Opus 4.7, which is the latest model released for public from Anthropic that is specifically trained to be even better on UI and UX design. So I couldn't stop myself to come up with an app idea that how I can create something with design getting created from Claude Design and then coding even the backend to make it a full application with Claude Code. And I'm going to show you how these two comes together perfectly. So I came up with the idea of creating an app that can help people land a job. Given my experience on interviewing people in different companies, I ended up knowing that why most of the time your application is getting rejected is not because of that ATS, which is a system that filter out resumes, is automatically rejecting you because of missing keywords. That's not the case. That ATS system technically starts with just maybe filtering out if you have authorization to work with a given company or country or location. But after that, the recruiter just sit down, type for a specific keywords, let's say if you know Python or AI or language models, and after that just Boolean search, lots of resumes get filtered out. So maybe you were not rejected, you were invisible. So I ended up having this idea of having an application that you can literally paste your job URL and then your resume get tailored for the job, and also it will tell you the ATS or Boolean search friendly of the keywords you need to specify in a specific format, let's say a star method, which is technically you want to start with what did you do, what was the impact of your work on the given experience that you provide, and how it is measured or the measurable way. So having these combo in place and telling that for a job will significantly push your chance of at least passing these initial filtrations. But my goal was not focusing dedicatedly to this app. My goal was how I can use Claude Design, which I'm going to show you how to create this UI, and now combine it with Claude Code to develop the backend. So this combo will create that end-to-end functional application for me without me coding anything within just minutes. So let me get started with just Claude Design that show you how I created this, and we'll create the backend together. Now, how we get into Claude Design to start using this? If you go to our Claude portal, you will see on the left side, we have Claude Design has been added. So simply clicking on it, you will go to this landing page of Claude Design. You can start with a couple of examples, which are truly insane for an AI model being able to create this astonishing outcome. And some of them are amazing with just a prompt, and how this model is truly able of creating these UIs based on what you specifically provide here is absolutely amazing. So you can start with any of the examples here, or like me, I want to start with a prototype. That prototype can be a slide, a deck, a PowerPoint, or a website UI, or a mobile app. So here I want to go with the prototype. I give it a name, let's say test. And if we click on create, you will go to the page that will start prompting what you need with skills that comes with Claude Design to help you create better UIs. So let me remove all these skills that are added by default for me. Just simply click on import, go to the skills and design systems. These are the skills that you can nicely add to implement it in your UI design. For example, I want to make sure that I have an animated video or a motion design in my web app or UI. So I tried to actually create videos for you that are truly amazing and we add it to the UI. This is not something you can typically create that with prompt pick a model separately to create a UI for you. Or interactive prototype, make a deck, make it tweakable. So like Figma, when you create a UI, you want to make sure you can change it with clicking on the elements, not just prompting. This is available. So I want to use it for sure. This is something I need. Or I want to also make sure that I have that animated video in place to to make it much better. And at the same time, if you want to export in different formats or send it to Canva. A lot of people are saying that this new Claude product is a killer for Figma, But honestly, I feel the winning point would be combining these two. Create your initial design with Claude Design, import it to Canva to make it further customizable, which is also available here. So enough talking about the imports. You can also provide some reference codes or some reference web elements that you saw some websites that you really liked it. You can grab it and import it here. Or if you have some initial HTML codes that you want to make it better, then you can just link to the code folder or upload a sample or reference to another project that you have created before. So you have these options here. Now, how did I describe what I wanted to design for that job application app that I told you? Instead of me prompting it, I asked Opus 4.7 separately in my Claude Code that, hey, give me some prompts to create this app. You can just go ahead and type it by yourself. You can use your voice in Claude Design, just talking what you want. But here I use Opus to give me these prompts. This is my landing page prompt. This is my main dashboard. This is my job analysis. And lastly, some CV editor because I want to make sure that this app can refine resumes based on that job application, and some interview prep cards using that 5-star method. So to help you prepare for the given job application based on your resume, what Q&A might be relevant to be practiced here. So I copy all of this and I just simply paste it back to the Claude Design. So for this job application, I called it JobBlitz. I named it here and I clicked on create. That's why it's already available. Given that it took several minutes to have it ready, you can see that all the way on the top, I copy and pasted the same prompt that I told you. Because I added that tweak skill that I showed you here, you can see I have an option called tweak. If I enable that, it is nicely giving me some settings that I can adjust the design by just tweaking it here. So, for example, I want to make it a split or centered or diagonal, which doesn't look that well. It's not my favorite. I can also change the title here, paste the job URL, land interview. This is the text. I can literally just change it as is here. Or some other options like trusted by row hide or show. This is, for example, if you have users that they trusted your app, you can have it here on your landing page. And this is the part that you can tweak. This is very limited. You can add much more tweakable settings based on what you ask here, so you have the full capability. Also, if you don't like something specific in the design, you can literally just type or talk with your voice, or even better, just click on draw. Let's say I don't like the position of this box here. Just click on send. It's taking a screenshot of this design with your draw actually here. Then you can type what you like or what you don't like about this specific design. And by the way, this comes in the preview mode. Claude Design have limits. I just hit the limit, so lucky enough that I created this before recording this video. So be cautious. This comes with a limit. It's not unlimited, but down the road, given that it's preview now, I assume you can use it much more as you add your credits. Now, this is the index.html that is running, but if you click on design files, this is actually the folder of the project that is getting created. I have this index.html. I have the interview prep page that has the index for me. I can just open it simply and go through that. Or if I go back to the design files, I have the CV editor and the dashboard. So I have this UI. This is not a working app. I can further adjust it or customize it, but I need backend code to make this a fully working application, to call it a web app. Now, this is the part I need to export all I have designed here. So just clicking on export here, I have these options. None of them are good for actually a web application. I don't want PDF or PowerPoint. Canva, I'm good enough with this design as of now, but I want to hand it to Claude Code to create the backend for me. And this is the secret sauce here. If you click on it, you have actually two options. Just copy the command. It's actually going to tell the Claude Code that, hey, I have this design created in this Claude Design. Take it and implement this project for me. So it doesn't start developing the backend. Just copy the command here. Or all these files that I showed you, you click on download zip instead, it will download all these files for you, which I'm going to do it now actually. So I have it locally, and then I can give it a prompt that what I'm going to specify in this design, further explanation, which is optional. Then we're going to go to the Claude Code and say that, hey, we have this UI created by Claude Design, make it an app. So let's do it. I just want to download right now, and you're good to go. And here it is. JobBlitz got downloaded, and check this out. Not only it has all the code in the project that we had in the Claude Design UI, so all those HTML files, but check this out. Under upload section, whatever I uploaded in my chat conversation with Claude Design to help with design the UI for me has been added here for reference. So Claude Code has much more context. This is the one, for example, I showed you when I was drawing something at the middle of the UI to integrate that with a customization. Has been actually captured for me. Not only that, if I go all the way back, look at this README one. This has some information for a coding agent, which is Claude here. That means your coding agent can be any other tool, any vibe coding tool. That can be Cursor, Copilot. As soon as you have this README, you can teach your agent what you're supposed to do. Hey, coding agent, read this first. This is a handoff bundle that MG created this UI using Claude Design, and here are all the mock designs, here are all the files and folders. So sort of a context for the model that is going to create the backend, which for my case here gonna be Claude Code. Here's my Claude Code, and check how simple it is. I'm just prompting that, hey, under downloads folder, I have a folder called JobBlitz that includes my UI design created by Claude Design. This is the folder we just downloaded. Take it to create the backend of this app for me to make this app fully functional. Now up to you, you can prompt as much as you want. I asked Opus to create the prompt for me. It was pretty long with so many endpoints to get created. I want to keep it simple, just hitting that as is, and Claude Code will do the magic. So I have the design, I have peace of mind that I know how it's gonna look like. I just want to make it functional. You can also prompt Claude Code and ask that, hey, make some unit test, make sure the app works. Here's the AI model that I'm gonna use. Here's my API key, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna ask me all these follow-up questions, which just took a couple of minutes. I'm gonna run this again for sake of this video. I'm gonna show you the end how it's gonna look like. All right, now Claude Code is telling me that my app is up and running in this local URL. So I just opened that and check this out. The app is now running locally on my laptop. This is no longer inside Claude Design. So to give it a shot, I want to test it out with this job URL that is coming from Anthropic for an applied AI engineer. So I simply just copy this code, this URL, paste it as a job that I need to analyze, and then I can just upload my resume or use my LinkedIn. I use the API as I'm connected to that. I click on continue. There you go. It's fetching the job, extracting requirements, cross-referencing my CV, scoring, drafting my CV, and generating 5-star cards, which are going to tell you what they are that you significantly need to help you out passing interview and also passing the resume filtration section. So this is actually scoring me based on the key domain that I have based on my past experience compared to the job. 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, and also there's a reason I believe all the way here that why I got this score. It is mapping my experience and knowledge all the way to that application. Moving further, if I click on CV, I can see some recommendations of changing stuff in my resume for that job because of the reasoning that is mentioned here for ATS keyword density. So this is the part that if you do not include in your resume, that ATS system will automatically drop you, or that recruiter with just Boolean search drop your resume without even anyone checking your resume. And then all the way, if I click on interview, I have these nice 5 cards getting created to get prepared for the interview with a star method. Walk me through an LLM powered system you took from zero to production. This is aligned with my experience and also what the job asks, so I can specify my answer and Claude will critic for me. And make sure that you follow a STAR method: situation, the task you did, the action, and results. So this is just an example, again, a mock of what you can create with Claude Design from UI, making it a fully functional app by Claude Code. So you will see how I created that with just minutes without me coding really anything. And by the way, if you feel like this example that I just took this web app to show you this combo walkthrough is something that can be helpful for you, for some of you who are looking for landing a job, let me know. I'll push my efforts to make it beyond just what it is and give you access for free so you can give it a shot, and hopefully it will help you with your journey. So write down in the comment section below if this is something helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate liking the video. I'm doing my best to create very practical videos continuously within this channel, so if you like it, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next video. Thank you so much.